You know that feeling when you're sitting on your couch and suddenly you hear someone in your driveway and you're not expecting anyone? I'm Gina with WTI and I hate drop ins. That's one reason that I love the convenience of having these outdoor security cameras from Dzees. At a glance, I can check my app and see who's out there, or in this case, what happened to my tent when it was really windy. Setup was a breeze. In fact, I was able to connect both the cameras that I have to the app and I can see both of them on the same screen. There's a lot of different settings that you can use, including motion detection, spotlight, or even being able to hear or talk through the camera. I opted to use an SD card for storage, and that's been working really well. I have these mounted outside, and thankfully they're waterproof because we get a lot of rain. I also found that the night vision is clear enough for me to be able to see what's actually happening out there. Another added bonus is that these are wireless and rechargeable. It makes installation so much easier than having to try to attach them to an electrical system. I have so much more peace of mind now that I can see what's happening outside. If you've been on the fence about getting security cameras, I definitely recommend these ones, and that's my point of view.